I can encourage you, you allow yourself to heal through the process, to go through all the processes that somebody usually go through. There is the process of you are denying that it has not happened. You have a process of bargaining and blaming yourself, maybe thinking, if I did this or if I did that, that could not have happened. Allow yourself to go through the period of depression. It is there. Allow yourself, before you get to acceptance that your partner is gone, allow yourself to go through those processes. And also your children, God will help you. He's always the guide. He's always the one that encourages somebody. Mimi naweza kukuambia mambo inaweza kuwa mingi, mambo inaweza ongewa mingi kama yenye sisi tumepitia. But get encouraged, feel encouraged, and also you will achieve your goals. The ones you had planned with your partner, it will be possible because God knows the reason. God knows. Gutire mundu ngienda gukure wika na ikarage wika muturire-ini wake. But when it happens, umenyage Ngai no akwendete na ndagutigite ari hamwe nawe ona ithaa riri. No tugerie gukwira ati Ngai ni akwendete urigwo wambiririe kwiyuria akinyendete atia na ni arakindunyire partner wakwa. No undu uria wiho ati Ngai ndatigaga mundu na hindi ciothe twikaga kumwita na kumwikaga maundu-ini maku mbere ugika undu wothe thiini wa muturire waku uria ugutura thutha-ini uyu. Na ni no nyende kwira andu aya angi, tafadhali andu aria maragia miario ya gucoka guturithia mundu ngoro na gucoka kuraga andu ngoro na gucoka guka gu crash ngoro ya mundu mutige, andu menyagirirai tondu I think there is in the Bible there is a verse that says mundu wothe ungigirira mutumia wa ndigwa kana muthuri wa ndigwa Ngai ni ekudeal nake, the wrath will follow you. So andu aya angi ni twimenyererei na tukorwo twi cautious muno uhoro wa ku attack andu aria matigitwo kana magaturithio ngoro. Thank you muno. Ngai wa mwathi na mbere na kuhe family yaku hinya na uria wothe ugwikaga wikage wihokete Ngai tondu ari oho na ari hamwe nawe. Thank you.